Now we'll go for replicating our model. Okay, and in our previous lecture, you know that we have applied it all types of load in our structure. So here we have applied it all types of our load. If you're new here, I will tell you to watch your previous lecture. And this is Engineer Hidayatullah, your instructor, and I'm going to instruct you about this topic step by step to learn this professionally. So to do it, first we have to replicate our model now till roof. Okay, so how I'll do it? We're in geometry, then I'll click here for self-weight, let's say. Now to replicate our model till roof, with a story I want to replicate. First of all, I have to select that. I want to replicate our first story. If I click here, you will see what I have assigned here is available. Click, this is the beam, here is the column and floor. Okay, so three types of element I have assigned here. This is available. Now what we'll do, I will click on this point, right click, stories, and copy content of the story. Okay, copy a story or add a story, not like that. Copy content of the story. So I want to copy the content of the story. I will create, and they have option above, where I want to create above or below. So above story 1, number of how much repetition or how much repeat it will do, 1 2 3 4. So I'll give it 4, and they have option perform the operation on selected element or object. So actually, as we did not selected any element here, so we'll go for whole structure. Just simply click OK and wait for it. See, everything have been replicated perfectly here, right? Now what we'll do, actually we have to change something in our roof. So after completing that, we'll go for replicating or we'll replicate our this portion for terrace. Okay, so how we'll do, first of all, I'll go to plan view, and from plan view I will go to roof here, and in roof we have to delete something. Let's say, first of all, I will go here, load definition. So you know, in a roof will not provide our partitional load first, right? So what we'll do, as we want to delete our partitional load, I will come here, I'll select this option, floor finish will be available, but partitional load will not be available in roof. So I'll click here, and here all types of partitional load is available. So I'll click here for, first of all, for member, because they have sub member here as a partitional load. I'll click here, deletes the selected load type. So has the load type, and I have clicked here, and I'll click apply, and from where you want to delete, simply click there. Okay, sorry, I'll close it. Again, I'll come here, load definition. So from load definition, actually I want to delete all load from this wall. So to do it, I'll click here, and before that I'll click here the member numbers. If I click here, you'll see the member number. So for which member I want to delete, it will be very easy for us if I select that. So I want to delete for 212, then click apply to delete load, and this is our partitional load. Sorry, I have to go here, actually member load, in member, and then because we have no any node load. So I'll go to member load, and if I click apply, and if I click here, or if I click here that 212, then apply 212, okay, as we're in plan mode, that's why actually this member are not selecting perfectly. So we'll apply another technique. I'll come here, I'll go to member, and first of all you have to select here for which types of load you want to delete. So I want to delete these types of load, the uniform load. So then you have to click apply. So now here selected uniform load is selected. Now we will delete this selected load. I will click here to deleting uniform load. Okay, now you'll see deleting uniform load. Now what we'll do actually, I'll give this number actually. So what is the number? 128 here already given, sorry, 218. Then click apply. You'll see our load have been deleted. Now here we have also a load pz 5 - 520. So here I'll provide 222, then apply. Also they have some load available here in 213, apply. Then 223, what you can do, 223 you can provide comma, then 220, then comma, then okay, click apply. So load from both two member have been deleted. Now we have load here and also here. So I'll provide here 221 comma space, then 214, click apply. See, this load have been deleted. Now I will delete another partition or load which we have applied it as a, we have here as a, sorry, they have also a load. So 219 and apply. Done. Now we have to delete another load, which load we have applied it as a partitional load, area load. So I'll go here, surface, then I'll select area, add, and then click delete. Okay, so for slab load actually, for deleting uniform load, okay, for this load, uniform panel load, add uniform load, then delete it, again go here, okay, everything is 00, and click delete and click apply. So I can click here to delete it. In this case it's working fine. Okay, so simply click here, or if not working, then they have option panel description here, or they have option load value description, and I'll click here panel description. You can see this is the value of panel 227, like that. So in this way you are also able to delete that. Let's say 228 and apply. It's have been selected. Okay, I'll click here, delete it, again I'll click here, delete, I'll click here, delete here. Okay, done. So I'll stop it, I'll stop it also. You can see it's let's sample. Okay, done. So you can see there have no loads is available right now in our this story. Also I have to delete some load, like live load floor. You can see this load is also available here. I'll go here, I'll go here and we'll check this load is also available here or not. So LB per square feet, this load is also available. And if I go view, so here you can see sorry, this is partitional load, live load float. So in live load float, we can see this load is available here also. So what we'll do, I will delete it again. So for float finish will be available. Self weight, it will be also available. Then our dead load partition all, it will not be available here. Okay, so we'll go to plan, and now we'll go for our another load. So what will be the another, I'll close it. What will be the another load? Our another load will be for terrace. For terrace, our another load will be live load float. So we'll delete it. So to delete it, I'll just come here, load definition, then I'll go surface load, and here add, select uniform load selected, select here apply, and select the floor you want to delete load. Delete, and you will see no line is visible here. Okay, done. You can see no live load is available right now. Okay, so no partition is also available, no live load is available. Now we'll apply here only row live load. Okay, so to apply row live load, here see live load row, then float finish, and I'll provide row live load as a 100 psi minus 100, then add, then apply, and simply click on every point or every slab. Done. Clear. So actually this is the way to maintain, or this is the here to show a load. So this is the way to provide our load, or to provide our row live load here. Now we are all set with our row also. Now I'll replicate this portion for our terrace, and then we'll go for also modification. I'll close it. I'll go to view, and I will click here. Okay, and what we can do, okay, we can go here, self weight also. Done. Now here actually it's better to stop or load now. Loads, stop, apply, close. Now I will replicate 4 member actually. This one, press Ctrl, and this one, also press Ctrl, and this one. And by pressing Shift, press your moving or scrolling button to rotate it, and all again press Ctrl, select this beam, and this beam. Very carefully select that. Okay, so when it's done, when we have select this member, and you will see here which member we have selected. You will be able to see it. If I go here, see this 4 beam is selected. Also if you know the number, then after coming here you can also select it. So when I have selected it, I'll zoom out. I will go top, I'll go to terrace row, right click, then a story, copy content of the story. Now see, this option is selected, perform the operation or selected element object. So number of 1, and click OK. Done. Close it, and you'll see we have replicate, or we have copied this element to our terrace also. right? Now what we need here a slab. So to do it, go to plan, go to terrace, and here we need a slab. I'll come here, and what will be the slab? T5, and I'll take rectangle, and here, done. Now we'll provide load here. So first of all, we'll provide floor finish. I'll select it, then I will go here, definition, then live load, roof, this low roof live load as a, sorry, I'll provide here first floor finish. So to provide floor finish, I'll go surface and 25 minus 25, add, click here for floor finish 25. Now after floor finish, what we have to put? We have to put roof live load. Cell again, go surface, and before that change the roof live load, surface here, and roof live load will be, let's say here we'll provide roof live load for basic operational purpose. So I'll provide here let's 40, add roof live load, uniform load, apply here. Now I'll go for the next one. Okay, before that I want to see the, okay, 428, it's already given here. So roof live load is okay, floor finish is okay. Now we have to provide water load. So how we'll calculate the water load? To calculate water load, you have to go through some basic calculation. So how we'll do this calculation? To do this calculation, actually, let's say I'll open our calculator. We have a 5-story building, and we are considering we have 4 plus 4, 8 people in every story. So 5 into 8, that means we have total 40 people available in our building. So if I consider that the pump, we are a tank will be provided here, its volume will be, let's say, okay, first of all find out the total requirement of water. So if I consider daily we need 200 liter water for every person daily, then click OK. So this, here's the total requirement of our water. Okay, total requirement of our water here, total requirement of our water. Okay, now as it is the total requirement of our water, what we'll do, I need to find out the total weight of this water. Okay, so this is 8,000 liter, so we have to place 8,000 liter, and we'll consider that daily 2 times will fill this tank. So in this way we need 4,000 liter water. That means we will provide 2 tanki of 2,000 liter and 2,000 liter. 2 tanki will place on a roof. Done. Then our so 4,000 liter means 4,000 kg. So I'll convert this load to pound. To convert this load to pound, 2.204. So we need total weight of 8,816 pound load, or this load will be applied to our slab. Now what we'll do, very simply, I will divide this load with the area of this slab. So how will find it? I'll just go here, then dimension line, from this point to this point is 13 feet and 13.92 feet. From this point to this point it's 7.5. so I'll come here. First of all, I'll find out the total area. So what will be the area? 7.5 into 13.92, 100 and 104.4. So I'll divide this value with 48816 divided by 1, let's say 100. square feet. It's 88.16 psf. Okay, so this is the water load. In this way you have to calculate it. I'll close it, and I'll close it. I'll select it, click delete. I'll select it and click delete. No need this dimension right now. And then I'll go here, define, go for surface load. Okay, before the change here, the live load water, surface load, and it's 86, almost 86.16, so 88, so minus 88, add, put it here. That's it. We have done everything completely. We have done everything completely. Our model is okay, our load definition is okay, and we are right now ready to analyze our model. But before that, we have to go for a load combination. So I will go for load combination in our next lecture, and I will change our footing support system. Okay, we have to change it, our support system, from here, because here only pin support is given, but we'll provide a fixed support. So ultimately we are ready with our model. Just go here. If you see, our structure is completely ready to analysis and design. Thank you very much.